How to speak well, so people will listen and improve your speaking skills. Stay with me until end. Your voice is powerful. It's your daily instrument. You use it every day. Yet few people listen. Voice can create war or say, "I love you." So much power exists inside the human voice. But often we speak, and people just ignore. They tune us out or don't take notice. So how can we speak powerfully and clearly, so we get heard and truly make impact? Before learning what to say, let's explore what to avoid. These are common habits that stop people from listening. The first is gossip, speaking negatively about others. It breaks trust instantly and damages your credibility. Next comes judging others. When people feel judged, they shut down fast and won't open their hearts. Then we have negativity, always focusing on the worst. Pushes people away emotionally and lowers your energy. Complaining is also dangerous. It may feel relieving sometimes, but constant complaining repels, rather than attracts listeners. Another habit is excuses, blaming others for everything people respect. Accountability far more than finger-pointing. Exaggeration or embroidery misleads. Stretching truth can backfire badly. People sense dishonesty quickly and stop believing you. Dogmatism is the last sin. When opinions sound like facts, people feel pushed or controlled and resist your message. When you speak with these people, stop listening instinctively. Avoiding these habits completely is your first step forward. Now that we know what not to do, let's explore how to speak, so people listen. The solution is HAIL, a powerful speaking method. It stands for 4 values: honesty, authenticity, integrity, love. Honesty means speaking truthfully. Don't hide behind lies. Be direct and clear to earn real trust. Authenticity means being real. Don't wear masks or fake. Let your words reflect who you truly are. Integrity is doing what's right. Keep your word always. When your actions match speech, people know you're reliable. Love is about goodwill. Speak with warmth and care. Wish others well deeply, even when you disagree. Honesty without love hurts. Love without honesty feels fake. Use both in balance for powerful, kind communication. HAIL is not theory, it's a way of life. Speak from these values, and people will listen naturally. Let's now explore how to use your voice well, with tools that amplify the message you deliver. Words are just the start. How you say them matters. Your voice is a toolbox. Each part adds impact. First tool, register speak from your chest. It adds depth and makes you sound confident. Deeper voice tones command trust. People perceive calm authority when you speak low, rather than from your throat. Second tool, timbre. It's your voice's texture. Warm, rich sounds connect, like comforting hot chocolate. Improve your timbre through breath. Stay relaxed and present. Control airflow and tension to sound more pleasant. Third tool is prosody. It's your vocal melody. Avoid robotic patterns. Let your words flow naturally. Monotone voices bore quickly. Add tone and rhythm shifts. This brings life and holds attention well. Fourth tool, pace. Vary your speaking speed. Pause when needed. It creates impact and suspense. Fifth is pitch variation. Use high or low tones to show emotion clearly and signal different intentions. Sixth is volume. Don't just speak loudly. Use soft tones strategically to draw people in. Beware of sodcasting, talking at people loudly without caring if they want to hear. Use these tools together. They shape your message powerfully and make your voice truly worth listening to. Before any important talk, warm up your voice. Just like stretching muscles, it improves your performance. Lift arms up, breathe deep. Let out a long sigh. Relax your body fully with an ah sound. Next, try ba-ba-ba, wake up your lips, follow with brr, a trill to loosen your voice. Say la 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 quickly. Stick out your tongue, Then roll your R's and finish with sirens. These warm-ups energize speech. You'll feel clearer and stronger. Practice them every time before you speak publicly. We speak in noise. Offices, cafes, loud spaces. Few are designed well for true listening to happen. We must build environments where voices are heard clearly. So speak with intention. Use your voice for change. That's truly an idea worth spreading to everyone.